Ready?
Yes.
What are you doing, sis? Are you in your chair? Yay! You did it! You're a big girl. Yeah? What are those? Yeah? Is that your chair? Yeah?
Can you help getting down?
No, she can do it.
Okay.
She's gonna just be testy here. Mm-hmm. Gigi. What are you doing? Good job! Yay! Wow! Whoa,
Oh, that was a good one.
sis. Big girl. Big girl.
Who has a knife?
You're that girl.